A warm welcome to the newsroom. I am Fidelia Aguncha. The number of COVID-19 confirmed cases in Nigeria has risen to 190 as the government ramps up its testing capacity. Between April 2nd and 3rd, a total of 16 cases have been confirmed by the Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC). The new cases were reported in Lagos, Osun, and Abuja. But there is cheering news. The number of patients who have recovered from COVID-19 and discharged from the hospital have risen to 20 after 11 patients were discharged from the infectious disease hospital in Lagos. Minister of Health Osagie Ehanire says Nigeria now has the capacity to test 1,500 people a day for COVID-19. The minister made a comment at Thursday's briefing of the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 in Abuja. He noted that 71% of 6,000 contacts have been traced and efforts were being intensified to reduce the numbers of suspected cases who have not been reached. The number of confirmed COVID-19 cases around the world have surged past 1 million and fatalities have topped 50,000 as the United States reported the highest daily death toll of any country so far. Despite more than half the planet living in some form of lockdown, the virus is continuing to spread rapidly and to claim lives at an alarming pace, with the US, Spain, and Britain all seeing their worst days yet. Financial ratings agency Fitch on Thursday predicted that the US and Eurozone economies would shrink this quarter by up to 30% as struggling businesses slash investment and unemployment dampens consumer spending. Death toll from the ongoing Lassa fever outbreak has hit 189, the Nigeria Center for Disease Control announced on Thursday. As of last week, the number of deaths from the fever was 176, meaning 9 people died from it within the week. The NCDC, however, noted that there is a decline in the number of confirmed cases for week 13, which is this week, compared to the previous week. The new cases were reported from 8 states, which are Edo, Ondo, Ebonyi, Bauchi, Taraba, Plateau, Kogi, and Delta. 10 different items with a duty-paid value of over 200 million naira have been intercepted in Katsina State by the State Customs Area Command. Some of these items were evacuated from different stores of smugglers, while others were intercepted at various locations in the state. The acting controller of the command and the deputy controller of the Nigeria Customs Service, Dahiru Karari, announced this on Thursday. The arrest, according to Kirawa, was made as a result of credible information and intelligence gathered from various informants of the command. The Nigeria Union of Petroleum and Natural Gas Workers have threatened to embark on strike within the next 48 hours if the management of the Port Harcourt Refinery Company fails to rescind the decision to sack over 175 casual workers who are its members. The Port Harcourt zone of the union warned that it would order tanker drivers, petrol station workers, and others to withdraw their services in solidarity with the sacked workers. Chairman of the union in the zone, Nina Samuel, issued the threat on Thursday while addressing journalists in Port Harcourt. Malawi has recorded its first 3 confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus COVID-19. President Peter Mutharika announced the development in an address to the nation on Thursday. Former Super Eagles captain Mikel Obi is on the verge of joining Brazilian club Botafogo, with a deal likely to be concluded on Friday, which is today. Mikel is a free agent after terminating his contract with Turkish club Trabzonspor in March due to comments he made on coronavirus on Instagram. According to reports on Yahoo Sports, the 32-year-old has been negotiating for a few days with the Real club, and there is optimism within the board that a deal could be made for the Nigerian very soon. And that's the latest from the newsroom. Many thanks for joining us. I am Fidelia Aguncha. Bye for now.